Guys, today I'll show you how can you save your plots that is found from R in PDF format. For that reason, I am first of all changing my directory to the desktop so that the file I want to save goes in the desktop. Okay, so first of all I want to show you that there is no file called output here. So if I open R and start the function that is called PDF, and I'm running the command that is output output.pdf. Now I'm running the command. There is nothing error, but if you go to the desktop, it was not in the last time we visited, but it is here. You can see the information here that is 0 byte. So you cannot open this. If you try to open this, there will be an error message from Adobe Reader. So I have to put something inside it. Let's start. We are giving that value of x equal to hypothetical value I am giving is equal to 1 and up to 100, and y equal to c of 101 to 200. Okay, so here we have x and y. If I plot now, plot x comma y. Okay, what just happened? For the first time I think you have experienced this thing happening to you, that you have run the command that plot xy, but there is no plot in R and there is no error also. So it's just actually saving the plot inside this output.pdf, but you cannot open it until you close the operation. So here I have one plot. If I do moderate it, that I am doing the same command again, but additionally I'm giving the color equal to red, and also I'm changing the type of the graph. That is, I am giving here type equal to line. Okay, let's check what happens. Okay, it also runs. So if I want to close my operation and want to see my graph, that I have to close the operation, that whole operation under out.pdf. So to close this, we have to run the command def.off. That means device off. Okay, the bracket will be null. Okay, just first bracket and there's nothing inside it, and press enter. So null device 1. So let's check what happens here in the output PDF, because last time we tried to open it and it wasn't open. Okay, so there is a plot that is circle and a perfect line, and also the second plot, oh wow, there is another plot that is a perfect line, but it is line, not circle, and it is color is red. So you have two pages here. It is saved in the output.pdf format. So that was all for today's lesson. So I think next time whenever you try to do your work, you can save the output in PDF format. So if you need anything related to statistics help, you can comment here or let me know. I can make a video or I can be a useful partner to you. So thanks for watching this video.